Hello children, welcome back again. I am Parul Sharma, your science teacher, and I am back again with the lesson Properties of Water. And today I will start with the topic Floating and Sinking. Dear children, the materials which do not dissolve in water either float on its surface or sink to the bottom of the container. वो मटेरियल जो पानी में डिज़ोल्व नहीं होते वो या तो सरफेस पे तैरते रहते हैं या फिर कंटेनर के बॉटम में सिंक कर जाते हैं, डूब जाते हैं. Let's perform the two activities to understand this. In the first activity, we will take two glass beakers. We are going to fill them half with water and we will put some coins in first beaker and some thermocol balls in the other. Then stir both thoroughly. Both coins and thermocol balls are insoluble in water. However, coins sink to the bottom of the container while thermocol balls float on the surface, as you can see in the video. In the second activity, again we will take two glass beakers and we will fill them half with water. In first beaker we will mix mustard oil and in the other we will mix carbon tetrachloride. Both mustard oil and carbon tetrachloride are insoluble in water and form separate layers. Mustard oil is seen to form a layer above water. We say that it floats on water. On the other hand, carbon tetrachloride forms a layer below water. We say that it sinks in water. By doing these activities, we observe that some materials sink in water and some materials float on its surface. Sand, coins, pebbles, carbon tetrachloride, iron nails, marbles are some materials which sink in water. Cork, butter paper, thermocol, sawdust, hair oil, mustard oil are some materials which float on the surface of water. A given material may sink in water or float on it, depending on its nature and type. So this was all about floating and sinking. Our next topic is physical states of water. वैसे तो पानी मेनली एग्जिस्ट करता है लिक्विड फॉर्म में, पर ये चेंज हो सकता है इनटू इट्स वेपर फॉर्म और सॉलिड फॉर्म बाय changing its temperature. So how the liquid water can change into water vapor? Let's perform the activity to learn about the change of liquid water into water vapor. In the first activity, we will dip a handkerchief in water and then spread it on a wire in the open. हम देखेंगे कि ये अपने आप ही कुछ समय के बाद सूख जाएगा because the water gets evaporated. मतलब उसके अंदर का पानी change हो गया into its vapor form and these water vapors they go into the atmosphere. In the next activity, we will wash our hands with water, पर हम उनको सुखाएंगे नहीं. We will observe that after some time the hands will get dry on their own. वो अपने आप ही सूख जाएंगे. It is because the water changes into its vapor form and gets evaporated. हमारे हाथों का पानी evaporate हो गया, जिस वजह से बिना पोंछे ही हमारे हाथ ड्राई हो गए, सूख गए. So dear children, change of a liquid into its vapor form. लिक्विड का चेंज हो जाना उसके वेपर फॉर्म में ये कहलाता है evaporation. What is evaporation? Change of a liquid into its vapor form. जैसे वाटर का वाटर वेपर में चेंज हो जाना कहलाता है evaporation. Now children, we will perform two activities to learn that what happens to water vapor when they are cooled. Take some hot water in a cup and cover it with a saucer. And when we will lift the saucer after some times, we will see tiny droplets of water deposited on it. The vapors coming from hot water form liquid water on cooling. ये जो वेपर्स थे जब ये सॉसर से टकराए तो वहाँ ठंडे हो गए, फिर ये लिक्विड वाटर में चेंज हो गए. In the second activity, we will take a glass tumbler and we will put some ice in it. After observing it for some time, we will notice that water droplets will appear on the outer surface of the tumbler. हम देखेंगे कि टम्बलर के बाहरी सरफेस पे कुछ पानी की बूंदें उभर आई हैं. अब ये पानी कहाँ से आया? Water vapors present in the air get cooled on the surface of the tumbler which was containing ice and it got changed into liquid water. एयर में जो वाटर वेपर्स मौजूद हैं, जब वो टम्बलर के सरफेस से टकराए तो वहाँ जाके वो ठंडे हुए and they got changed into the liquid water. So dear children, change of vapor form of a substance into its liquid form on cooling is called कंडेंसेशन. क्या है कंडेंसेशन? जब किसी सब्सटेंस का वेपर फॉर्म चेंज हो जाता है इनटू इट्स लिक्विड फॉर्म. कब? ऑन कूलिंग. देन इट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी हैव लर्न टू न्यू टर्म्स, evaporation and condensation. What is evaporation? Change of a liquid into its vapor form, it is evaporation. And what is condensation? Change of vapor form of a substance into its liquid form on cooling is called condensation. So children, this was all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.